Hello everyone, welcome to this my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well and I also fine guys. My name is Abhishek Patel and I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering at Vansal Institute of Science and Technology guys. So today I am here to talk about and to discuss about to start for basic 10 to 15 questions for the interview guys, because before you cannot prepare, then you after and when uh, you uh, your interview whenever day, and it is I hope your interview will best, but sometime many people not prepare in computer science engineering and any other uh, like mechanical, IT and other any sector. Interview is mandatory if you uh, become a good job, right, in today market. But I want to share with my journey. If you do not speak English clearly, fluently, confidently, then also you will fire those that job, right? Well, that means if you want to a good job, get a good job, then if you should speak properly, right? For example, first question is tell me about yourself. So what will have to give the answer, right? So good morning ma'am, thank you ma'am for giving me this opportunity. I introduce myself, right? To introduce myself, my name is Abhishek Patel and I belong to Bamori Ghat in district Damoh. But at present here, I am here, right? This, and I am pursuing in BTech in Computer Science Engineering at Vansal Institute of Science and Technology, and I have completed strong foundation in programming language, data structure, database management system, OPS, and SQL. These core subjects, and I am proficient language C++, and I also learned web development, like some technology front end and back end. Front end technology HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React JS, and back end like Node.js. Okay, so this and after I had completing schooling from CM Rise Model Higher Secondary School, and I have completing schooling from CM Rise Model Higher Secondary School in 12th standard in percentage 90%, and I 10th percent is 76%. Okay, and I also worked on some projects like stock market simulator, farm friends, where the we build in front end technology and back end technology, right? That means based on web development, right? And after that, I want to my strengths are My strengths are flexible, speak fluently and to speak fluently, but right now not fluently because I want to I prepare in interview. So there you will speak. My strengths are to flexible, to learn, quick learner, quick learner, and to solve problem solving. And my hobbies are uh, studying, to coding questions, to solve the coding question, to solve puzzles, right? And my goals is very important. My goals, what is the your goals, what is your goals? So my goals are to become a software engineer, and where we give 100%, where we work. Okay, so then one that means 40 to 50 second, that means enough is 1 minute. 1 minute enough. 1 minute, if you have complete introduction, you have to speak, right? And second question is, why should we hire you? I hope this video you helpful, you will helpful for you, because I my my English speaking is very weak, but but I try to speak English, because if you practice in English, and then after some time you will you will uh, very very better, yeah, better, yeah, I can say, I would say uh, better, best, rather than now, right? So second is, why should we hire you? So is a simple language and simple sentence you have to speak. mm, Sir, because I because sir, I uh, why should we hire you? Okay, so because you should hire me because I am a quick learner, to solve matlab too flexible, and I have efficient in programming language C++, and I also worked on some projects like stock market simulator, farm friends, where we technology work, and right. And I'm a quick learner, and I have a strong interesting in programming, and I have a good knowledge of C++, DSA, and I have also 200 lead code problem, and I enjoy learn new technology and solving problems, and I am confident that I can contribute to your team while continuously improving my skills. Okay guys, two question have done. First question is, what, introduce yourself, tell me about yourself. And second question, why should we hire you? So simple, I'm speaking, and again I speaking. So you should hire me, sir, you should hire me because I am a quick learner, and I strong interesting programming, and I have a good uh, knowledge in C++, DSA, and web development. I also worked on some projects, and to adapt a new technology, strong foundation, uh, problem solving, and I am confident that I can contribute to your team while continuously improving my English. And third is my skills. What are these, right? And third question is, what are your strengths, right? So what are your strengths? So my key strengths are, I'm a quick learner and to adapt a new technology, and to flexibles, where you can work in day or night shift, and I also flexible WhatsApp, and I am hardworking, and I am a good problem solving, and I work well in a team, and I am disciplined and eager to learn. Right? So there are five strengths. Yeah, two, yeah, three. Three minimum. Two is more enough, but टू यू कैन स्पीक, बोलना ही पड़ेगा, यू विल हैव टू स्पीक, टू, टू, नॉट वन, नॉट वन, नॉट वन, नॉट वन, राइट. तो टू इज two strengths you will have to speak, guys. So I'm a quick learner and I'm a hardworking and I'm proficient and I'm adapt a new technology and I'm work well right now, guys, and I work well in a team. And fourth question, what is your weakness? What is your weakness? What is your weakness? So is actually this answer is you have to speak is a positive way in your tell in mm, weakness, right. So earlier I was not very confident while speaking English, and I have been practice every day and speaking regarding and listening English, and I have already seen improvement, right. So sir, earlier I am not speaking English in fluently, but I try to speak English, and I am daily every day to practice in English. Uh, English, and I have already seen improvement, because if you tell in your weakness where they go, then they are understand in your feeling, but actually you not uh, wrong, right. So actually you have in your weakness, right. My weakness, but my weakness is not fluently speaking English, but I try to speak English. I'm daily practicing English, right. So fifth question, listening English, speaking English, fluent English, thinking English, and always English, right now, guys. Okay, fifth question है, why do you want to join our company, guys? Why do you want to join our company? So sir, basically I want to join in your company because your company supports minor projects and uh, skills to improve my technical skills, real world project, work on a real world project to learn a new, adapt a new technology, professionally grow, and I want to with experienced engineer. I want to work with experienced engineer, improve my technical skill, and contribute to the company's success. I want to contribute the company's success. And where do you see yourself in 5 years? Where do you see yourself in next 5 year, guys? So basically in next 5 year, in next 5 year, I see myself is a skilled full software engineer and leading a challenges project and learning new technology and contributing significantly to my organization where we work. We will work then supports the uh, organization in my skills, supports my uh, and tell me about your final year, right. Tell me about your final year and or academic projects. So basically one of my project is a student management system, not a student management system. Basically my one of my project is stock market simulator and farm plans. It allow user to trading system, because stocks, if you are also know, or you are also know are trading, right. Marketing, original price, any people they are they do not know the platform on the trading, what is the trading and how does it work. So basically they it some knowledge you gain then is platform stock market simulator, where you they can learn learn trading how it is work, and after that you they learn trading, and they can use original stock market simulator, right? And why do you want to, and its platform the not the original original price or loss, right? Why do you want to join, why do you want to become a software engineer? Why do you want to become a software engineer? So I enjoy in programming and solving to real world problem and building application that helps a user, motivates me. That's why I want to build my career in software engineers. So that's why I want to build my career in opportunities this. Okay, and tell me about a challenge you were faced. So while developing one of my projects, basically my faced I main challenging in my project, because I basic that means intermediate level non knows the uh, DSA, data structure algorithm. Basically I learned in C++, DSA, and object oriented programming I also know, and operating system, some uh, thing read out, and DVMS I also done, and these core subject I also done, and DSA is also done. But project while a very matlab that means very not a difficult, I would say, not a difficult, but many challenging is developed this map project. I studied the era, checked in configuration, and solved it through developing this experience improved my travel shooting skill, guys. And do you have any question for us? So guys, yes, I have questions, and I want to ask, yes, I want to ask questions. So, can what technology does your team use, and what does the training process look like for fresher, and how do you support employee learning and growth? And what are expectations? Some in this role during the first 6 months. Basically, I uh, spoke I am speaking 7 to 18 minutes. So, well, and you also know. So, I drinking water, guys. You can drinking water, because uh, study along with, yeah, enjoy life. I hope, guys, this video it were helpful, and good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is this. I am here, this, and my I have my technical, this. So you can speak fluently, and daily practice is 10 to 20 minutes enough, guys. If you will get a software engineer, if you will any job, if you if you will if give 10 to 20 minutes, and also best of luck, guys. I hope you will got a good job. And I am a hardworking, I'm a quick learner, I'm enjoys problem solving, and I'm a learning new technology quickly and work well in a team. I will give my best to contribute the company. Thank you for your time. I hope आपके लिए your this my video is very helpful for you, and this video is helpful. So please, guys, like, subscribe, and how is it, and please comment, like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys, bye bye, and next day again we will meet you guys. Bye bye.